Welcome back to another video for you guys. Today video I will be showing you how to do this car glitch. By the way, I have a poll for you guys to vote for what game should I make video on. Anyway, let's move on. Step 1. Find a truck. Get in it. Step 2. Get this item. By the way, this item costs 50 Robux, so if you don't have this you could try anytime you want. That is all the steps to do this glitch. Thank you for watching today. Hope you guys vote on what game should I play next. See you there. Also if you want PLS sub and like IDK what my sub goat is yet. Goodbye. See you next time.